Hey friends, I hope you're ready for it. This is the July 2020 kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. And the first thing that I want to share with you is the July 2020 monthly kit. Okay, get ready for all of the amazing summery colors that you're going to find in this kit. We're going to start with the die cuts. You have a rainbow label, you have some colorful labels here. I love these beach bubbles, let's go, lazy days, XOXO, the sun is out, and hooray for this. Look at this one. Woo! So fun. I love that color scheme there. Forever Friends. There's trees, so fresh and good. Paradise Found, this was awesome. Favorite Summer Eats, that's a good one. So happy to be together. So those are your two die cut sheets. Next up, let's check out the 4x6 tags. We have Always Loving This. We have the Teal Waves, which I love. And this one's really cool, Favorite. So you can list your 4 favorites for summer, for the month, of your trip, anything that you can come up with. Love those. Okay, let's check out the 3x4s. I'm going to put these aside. The Simple Joys of Life. There's some speech bubbles there. Breakfast, Lunch, Dinner. Oh, I love this one. It's orange, red, and yellow. Love in orange. There's that pretty warm hued stripe. There's a number list, 5 things. Ampersand in gray. Stars. There's a really cool colored rainbow with navy blue. Love that one. Hello. Noteworthy. It says this is an important story down there. There's the cooler hues. The Great Outdoors. This is fun because it has a lot of different outdoorsy kind of phrases and icons there. Here's What Happened. Question and answer. A green polka dot details and some trees. Those go together really well. So those are your 3x4s, and that is the monthly kit. Now, to go along with the monthly kit, we always have some labels that coordinate perfectly, and these ones this month are just blank labels in different colors, so they work perfect with the colors in your kit. We also have July label stickers, so if you'd rather have that in a sticker, these stickers are a perfect mat, so you can write on them, you can stamp on them, whatever you want. Next up, we have the summer tape stickers. So these are like washi tape, super fun, and they come in a variety of colors and patterns with words. Summer fun. You can add your own journaling here to this love one or today. Super fun stickers. Speaking of stickers, we have another set of chipboard stickers. These are nice and thin, you guys, so you don't have to worry about them bulking up your pockets or your cards. There's things you can fill in here with journaling. Summer fun, big splash in the pool, my favorite kind of day. I love the sun. Hello summer. There's just so many fun things. I love the blue with the red sunglasses there too. Awesome set. We have 2 different new Puffy alphabet stickers. How awesome is that? We have navy and navy dipped. So the navy is all navy. The navy dipped is light blue to a navy color. Just love those, super fun. Next up, we have the Hello wood veneer. And this would make a great title, and when you pair it with something like those Puffy alphabet stickers, then it makes the perfect title. We have the adventure wood veneers, and I really love these. I love this big adventure word here at the top. There's trees. This says never stop exploring. There's a compass, a tent that says happy camper, enjoying time outside, the great outdoors, a geotag, and wild at heart. Speaking of being wild at heart, we have the Wild at Heart stamp. This one's really fun because it includes these kind of washi look patterns. You have your compass again, a Wild at Heart heart. This one says, here's what happened. The simple joys of life. I love this row of trees here. There's your hello again, so you can stamp that for your title instead of using the wood veneer. This says, never stop exploring, always loving this. And then there's a place here to add some journaling. So a really fun, usable stamp. Last but not least, we have the polka dot paper stack. How awesome is this? This is like a stack of basics in colors that you know are going to match with your kit, you guys. That's the best thing about Elle Studio products, is that all of the colors coordinate together so perfectly. You get 12 different colors, 2 sheets of each. There's a beautiful blue, tangerine kind of orange, teal, orchid, beautiful buttery yellow, nice emerald green, straight up orange, lime green, a navy, pink, red, and your neutral gray. So these are awesome to have on hand for any kind of project, you guys. Just a staple to have in your stash. Thank you so much for watching the Elle Studio July 2020 kit unboxing here on my video feed. I hope you guys will check out the link in my video notes to find all of these products now in the shop. And while you're there, be sure to get more information about a subscription. Subscribers get perks like bundled shipping, special offers, and more. And you can cancel your subscription at any time without any penalties. So it's definitely worth trying out if you love Elle Studio products and the monthly kit. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to see more unboxing videos in the future. Happy creating with your Elle Studio July 2020 kit and add-ons.